Welcome to our search.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's been a long time since nagkaroon kami ng upload. And now we're back! Yay! Our video will be about unboxing Dodong and Bebang
is gift
from their
birthday.
and their binyag.
Binyag.
Yan, kasi ang nangyari po ay si Dodong ay nauna ng mag-birthday, but the celebration is almost sabay na. So, Bebang's birthday and gifts, presents, mwah, from... Hoy, ano nang ginawa ko? Dodong! Excited na si Dodong. Okay, let's start. O, dito ka, open natin, open.
Let's start. Mami, ang sobrang ganda ng regalo. Can I open
This
this?
one, let's do Bebang. Happy birthday and happy christening from Mama Joy, Kuya Yonyon, and Ate Yen.
Di ba best friends ko sila?
Oo, best friend mo ba sila?
Wow!
Wow! Enjoy. So for Bebang, we got...
My numbers! May numbers si Bebang. May numbers.
For Bebang, meron siyang blocks tapos clock.
May numbers. May numbers siya. Ang ganda.
Thank you so much, Kuya Yonyon and Ate Yen.
Sobrang cute niya. Sobrang cute.
Sobrang cute, di ba? This one naman is for...
Bebang.
Yeah, for Bebang then from Ninang Shashan.
Ang daming ang dalawang tali.
Ninang Ye. And for Dodong, this one's for you, oh.
Can I open it?
Open it. Hayaan natin siya maglaro. Ngayon lang siya nagaganyan-ganyan. Oh, this one's for Dodong.
Ang galing! Para sa'yo yan, Dong! Di ba? Gusto mo yan?
Wow.
Gusto...
Get the other gifts. Lagay mo dito para hindi makalat.
Kunin pa ako ng...
Okay, this one naman to Dodong. This one's for you then, anak. And it's from Tita Hana.
Tita Hana ko?
Yeah, it's for your Tita Hana.
For you, Dodong.
Agawan kay Dodong.
Hindi kami mag-agawan! Wow! Hindi na kami mag-agawan ng fishes. Kami dalawa ni Dodong maglaro ng
Oh, what will
fishes.
you say? Thank you po, Tita Hana.
Thank you po, Tita Hana.
Nag-enjoy siya sa unboxing. Open natin. This one to Donkey then from My Hero.
My hero ko yan. Hero ko yan.
Ito lang, sit down na si Oki. Sit down na.
Esmaro si ate.
Oh, help ka ni ate. Oh, open na. Open. 1, 2, 3. It's a
ball! Basketball! May new basketball si Dodong!
Wow, you like it? Open na,
Your new
open.
ball? You like
Open.
you like your new ball, Dodong? You like it? Di ba regalo yan ng My
Gigigil
Hero?
siya. Gusto niyang buksan talaga. Ay.
Ay!
Wow!
At tapos may ring!
Yeah.
Ang galing! Si Dodong! Ay, sus!
Oh, okay. Oh, shoot ka the ball.
The ball.
Shoot the ball. Wow!
Thank you, my hero!
Oh.
Kay babe!
This one is for... Ha? Pati si Happy? Pati si Happy? Bigyan din ni My Hero. Open mo. Meron kang...
Bang!
It's a Barbie!
Ang galing! Ang Barbie!
Barbie bag for ate yan. Kay ate yan. Give kay ate.
Ang galing! May gift na ako! Thank you, my hero!
Next one is... This one is for Bebang from Tita Hana din.
Can I also open?
Gusto niya buksan. Ayaw mo siya magbukas, anak. Ayaw mo siya mag... Oh, dito lang si ano.
Dalawa kami ni Dodong.
Dito lang, sit down lang dito si Dodong. Open na ni Dodong.
Sama kami ni Dodong. San?
Oh. What's inside? It's a...
Bubbles! Bubbles! Tatlong bubbles! Tatlong bubbles! Tatlong bubbles! May tatlong bubbles si Bebang!
Go!
Ate, may tatlong bubbles si Bebang!
What?
May tatlong bubbles na si Bebang.
This one, wait lang. This one is to Bebang from My Hero.
May isa pang bag! Ay, ang galing!
Ang galing.
Favorite ko din yung
Show Show mo bag. Wow!
May Stitch! Hindi pa tayo nakasunod ng Stitch, diba? Dapat mag-load din tayo ng Stitch.
Dapat, oh. Ang gulo. Imagine mo, dalawa pa lang kayo dito. Anak, what mo? Pag tatlo na, pati si Bebang kasama na sa pag-unbox. Let mommy read it muna. This one is to Bebang from Ninang Yana.
I will open
Ay,
it.
Diyos ko, ang anak ko. Ay, Diyos ko, ang anak ko nagkalat na. Hayaan natin siya magkalat. It's she put all the... A dress! Bebang, look, oh, you have dress, oh. Thank you po, Ninang Yana. This one naman is to Dodong
Can I open it?
from Ninong Yuan.
Can I open it?
Oh, i-open it naman. Nag-enjoy si Dodong magbukas-bukas ng mga bagay-bagay. Kaya hayaan natin siya magkalat. Let him be a kid. Opo, Bebang, next time kasama ka po dito. Oh, wow, look, oh. Donkey, oh, this one's for you. Wow.
May drawing pad, tablet pa siya.
It's a drawing pad.
Ano siya?
Meron din siyang another toothbrush.
Ang ganda.
Oh, look, oh, open mo, open. Oh,
And
wow.
that's for you, Dodo.
Ay, perfect to. Parang Montessori na book. Nagugustuhan ni Dodong to. Thank you so much, Ninang Yuan. This one naman is to Bebang from Ninang Yana.
Yay! Meron.
Open it.
Yes.
Oh, what's that? Oh, this one's a travel bidet. Kailangan to ni Bebang.
May ito dyan.
Oh, what's that? Tapos, hair and skin freshener. Oops, Dodong, no po, no. This one to Bebang din from Ninang Yana din. Oh, open it. Another quiet book, the same one like Dodong. But kay Dodong is a mouse. And kay Bebang is a teddy bear. It's also the same one, but polka dots yung kay Bebang. Wow! You like it? This is for baby Bebang.
Baby Teta.
From Tita Dimple.
It's Dodong's turn.
Wow!
A new dress.
Is it a dress or is it a skirt?
Dress.
Ay, wow, Bebang!
Ay,
Bebang!
Dress pala siya.
Thank you so much, Tita Dimple.
Let's get another one. I get another one.
Yeah.
It's my turn.
This one is to Dodong from Tita Dimple too.
May new damit.
Oh, yeah! T-shirt for Dodong.
T-shirt.
Show mama. Ay, wow! Ang galing ka siya. Alika na.
Love ni Dodong yan. Ang dalawa.
Look! Dinosaur!
I like dinosaur.
Ay, tinapon na yung iba. This one to Dodong, oh. Okay, thank you so much, Tita Dimple. This one naman is from Happy Birthday, Bebang, from Baby Meteor.
My
It's a
dress.
another baby dress for Beba. Oh, you put the trash in there na sa gilid. This one pa from Baby
Oh my
Meteor,
God.
Tita Tanet, and Tito
Wamos.
You don't know their names, Tita Tonet and Tito Wamos.
Hindi alam kung kailangan nila eh.
This gift is to Dodong. We love you. God bless you, Pogi. From Tito Eds.
Can I open it?
Yeah, of course. Ate? It's for Dodong. You have lotion. And your bath soap.
Batso.
Thank you so much. Happy christening and birthday, Bebang. Love, Ninong Bench and Ninong Doc RFD.
Di ba, dentist ko sila? Di ba, dentist ko sila?
Dentist mo sila. Thank you so much, Ninong Doc RFD and Ninong Bench. That's 12. What's this?
Mosquito bite.
Ay! Toothbrush! Change toothbrush every first day of every month. So, ano siya? 12 toothbrush for 1 year. Ay, ito perfect din to. Citronella stickers. At Bustela. Alam na alam nila ang ireregalo. Thank you so much, Ninong Doc and Ninong Bench. And antivirus, kailangan natin to ngayon. Super! This one naman is from Ninong Bench again and Ninong Doc. This one's for Dodong naman. Na-open na ni Dodong?
Di ba po, dentist ko yung mga dentist ko. Nag-check up sila.
dentist mo?
Nag-check up nila yung mga teeth ko.
Same!
The same!
We got 12 toothbrush then for the whole year. We got citronella patches for anti-dengue kasi
Ang dami.
mga lamok-lamok.
Sobrang dami.
Anti-cough. Alam nila na si Dodong mahina ang baga. And they also got si Castella. Oh, perfect. This one kasi for the rashes. Di ba mabilis mag-rashes po si Dodong?
I'm gonna get another one. It's my turn to open.
Thank you so much, Ninang Dok and Ninang Ben.
It's my turn to get.
This one, to Bebang. God bless you. We love you. From Ninong Edsted. Si Tito Ed.
It's my turn to open.
Nag-open na po siya. Ayan ako. What's that? Oh, we also have the same for the, ano naman, Bebang, no?
The same sila. Same sila.
Lotion naman kay Bebang. And then,
Same sila. Same sila ni Dodong. Madang ganito.
ouch! Citronella lotion. Sige lang, buksan mo sa'yo naman yan.
Okay.
Ang galing naman ng concept na to. Talagang pinapaalalahanan tayo ng Ninong Doc RFP na mag-brush ng teeth.
Oh, bawal ka
It
mag...
said, to Dodong from Baby Meteor. Thank you so much, Baby Meteor.
For you, Dodong! Para sa
Dodong?
That's... ang laki! Sobrang... Ang laki! Ang laki, Dodong! Para sa'yo yun, di ba?
Car! Truck yan, hindi yan car!
Hindi... Ay...
Gusto niya po yung truck. You wanna open it later, anak? Okay, so this one is from Bea B. Thank you so much, Bea B. Let's open it. For, ano eh, for... Oh! Hayaan natin siya kasi birthday at binyag naman niya yan. Deserve niya yan mag-open. So this one is for Beba. Very, very maarting tita.
Anong name?
So this one for Bebang.
Can I open it? Oh.
Ooh!
Ooh, another bubble wrapper.
We also have
Nutella!
Mustela products, which is kailangan na kailangan ni Bebang kasi po nangangasim po talaga siya.
My turn. My turn to get. I'm gonna get another one.
Thank you so much, Tita Bea. Then open. This is
Iba.
for Dodong.
Let's open it.
Dodong.
Can I open
Oh,
it?
Wait lang. Open ni Mami.
Kami ni Dodong.
Wow! For Dodong! It's a playgrow. Learn.
Yay!
It's for Dodong to learn stuff.
Yes!
Pero gusto niyang upuan. Wow!
Ang ganda niya, no?
We could put ball, we could put, other stuff. Thank you so much!
My turn to get.
Baby Meteor. This one is for Bebang.
Can I open it?
It's also from Baby Meteor. Wait lang, anak. Oh, open it. It's a... Wow! Another toy. Ay, wow, oh. Music toy. Nako, mag-iingay na naman po sa playroom. Grabe. This is also from Ninang Bea, Tita Bea B. Okay? This is for Dodong naman daw.
Be careful to me.
Nasa isipin na agad pag-tira. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ang hirap buksan, Bea B, ah. Thank you so much. Ang bigat nito, parang mukhang i-assemble ko na lang. This one's for Dodong. Stanley Jr.
Sunny Junior?
Mukhang susunod siya sa yapak ng daddy niya. Aray!
My God!
May magmamanan ako ng pagkukonstruction ni Chong. Thank you, Bea B. This is such a good gift. And alam ko, isa to sa mga wishlist talaga. Ayun, no. Kaya pala ang bigat. Thank you so much, Ninang Bea.
Mami?
Ayaw na talaga magpakabog.
I make it.
Siyempre, nakikita nyo naman sa likod. Hindi na kailangang ano. Ay! Diyos ko, anak ko. Siyempre, itong malaking regalo na to from Mami Oni. Si Mami Oni, Juwa mo, at si Ate Tyrone niya, at si Baby Tyrone. So, this one is from Team Oni. Ayan, perfect na perfect to kasi panglinis siya ng kwarto ng mga bata.
Tingnan mo to, oh.
Wow.
Okay.
So, this one is from Mami Oni and Juwa and Ate Tyrone and Baby Tyrone. What would you say?
Thank you, Mami Oni.
Thank you so much, Team Onins. Grabe, isa dito sa likod ko. Nagkakalkal na siya. Kailangan na natin ayusin ito. Sobrang gulo-gulo na talaga. Igigilid ko lang ito kasi napaka-fragile nito. Pag nasira ito, wala na. Last but not the least, ang pinakakailangan ng lahat ng nanay. And I really mean it when I said kailangan ng lahat ng nanay. Ang
Sino ba nagbigay niyan?
Team Onins ulit. Baby Bressa Bottle Washer Pro. Dahil yung isa ko po, regalo din ho ni Mami Oni sa akin. Ay, pagod na. Thank you so much, Team Onis! Maa-unbox na sa wakas, magagamit na ho natin. Ayan, tara, let's go. Now, na sobrang tapos naman na kami mag-unboxing. Kitang-kita nyo naman, sobrang gulo na po ng paligid. Kailangan na po mag-ayos ni Mami Kat. Ang daming regalo, sobrang... And guys, bago ko makalimutan, shoutout din sa mga ninang namin. Kay Ninang Ems, kay Ninong Day, kay Ninang... Wow, tuwa po talaga siya. Blue. Kay Ninang Yobab, at kay Ninang Pau Del Rio ng Polish, at kay Ninang EG ng EG Trends, at dahil sila po ay nagbigay ng monetary gifts or pakimkim. And don't worry guys, dahil isasend ko sa inyo soon ang resibo na naipasok na po natin yan sa mga bank accounts ng mga bagets. Yun, thank you so much for watching guys. And na-miss ko kayo and sana kayo din. Expect more upload from our YouTube channel kasi mag-upload na tayo, di ba? A lot of videos, kaya abangan nyo yan guys. Don't forget to like,